This video shows how to buy shares of Volution Group plc, ticker FAN.L, listed on the LSE plc. Volution makes ventilation and air movement products for buildings. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Trading carries risks. You need a broker to trade shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the user flow. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your wallet before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FAN.L to find the Volution Group plc listing. Confirm the exchange and the company name to make sure you have selected the correct share. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to check recent movement and trading hours. Confirm the listing is Volution Group plc on the LSE before you proceed to buy. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose Order Type if available, then review all details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the LSE reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order executes, your position will appear in the portfolio section for monitoring. If you want to follow the exact steps, there is a link in the description.